This is gonna blow your mind. Volcanoes are like Earth's pressure cookers. So, what exactly happens when a volcano erupts? Deep within the Earth, there's molten rock called magma. When pressure builds up, that magma pushes through weak spots in the Earth's crust. Boom! An eruption happens. But wait, there's more. Magma that reaches the surface is called lava. As it cools, it forms new land. And all those gases, they create ash clouds that can affect the climate. Volcanoes aren't just destructive, they also create fertile soil that helps plants grow. Plus, volcanic rocks can be used in construction and even beauty products. So next time you see a volcano, remember, it's not just a fiery mountain, it's a powerful force shaping our planet.